It all started so simply. A small combustion engine in a bicycle frame. One small but important step. Soon Husqvarna dominated early street races, but bike sales were still slow thanks to the global depression. Then war broke out and motorcycle production had almost stopped completely. After the war, things changed. Suddenly, lightweight small-engine bikes were popular. The iconic Silver Pillin. This pioneering bike was the spark for off-road motorcycling. Then came this guy, Torsten Holman. He won almost every race back then, so Husqvarna replicated his factory race bike and started selling them. This was the very first series production motocross bike. Torsten and his Husky went over to race in America and sparked a cultural revolution. Handcrafted detail and high-quality components are still synonymous with Husqvarna motorcycles. This is a fire that was first lit through legendary battles in arenas and on racetracks around the world. The excitement born from almost a century of top-level competition, which now lives on in the dynamic riding experiences that our distinct range of motorcycles open up for riders. Simple yet progressive means smart yet simple design solutions, which keep us looking ahead for different trails to blaze, more territories to explore, and exciting new motorcycles to bring to life. With more legendary stories yet to be told, lying in wait beyond the horizon.